Hey guys, we received this Bluetooth headset dual mic for test and try. This is a version 5.4 with a wireless Bluetooth earpiece. The noise cancelling hands-free headphones with a 14-hour talking time. So this comes in a really nice gift box and can be put or the connected with any cell phone, iPhone, Android, or any other device with a Bluetooth option. So here you can see this is a single edit size and this is the side corner. So this is actually the whole battery. So that's how this increases the battery level and the chip. So this one is with a good stand of time and you can see the side mic button. So the accessory kit have this charging cable and things. So it have a Bluetooth 5.4. So this is really good advanced one and with a good transmission speed and connection. So the manual, the extra battery, or it's actually in a eyepiece thing. So it's the earpiece thing. You can see with this charging cable thing, and here you can how you can disconnect. So see, like in the corner. So here you can disconnect this and then put the other one, and then you can put one for the charging. So this is a really nice combination thing, and this one is a USB cable that you can charge this headset. You can also adjust the microphone to the 120 degree and also link the host and rotate it. So lightweight, comfortable, and I can show the wearing thing as well. So the Bluetooth connection is pretty straightforward. You can also do that. So you can see like I on it and then it will greatly recognize it and connection is done. So the fitting wise is good, comfortable, sound wise is good, mono sound and good for your meetings and everything.